Welcome to our video tutorial on encrypting images in Java. Today, we'll take a deep dive into how we can secure our images using encryption techniques. First, let's understand why we need to encrypt images. Images can contain sensitive information, especially in fields like healthcare, finance, or personal data storage. Encrypting images helps to protect that data from unauthorized access. To get started, let's set up our Java environment. Ensure you have Java SE Development Kit installed, along with an IDE like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse. We'll also need the following libraries: JC, Java Cryptography Extension, which is typically included in the standard Java library. You may also want to include some additional libraries for image processing if necessary. Now, let's start by writing a simple code to load an image. We'll utilize the buffered image class for this task. Create a class named ImageLoader. This class will have a method loadImage that accepts a file path and returns a buffered image. Next, we'll implement the encryption method. We'll use AES, Advanced Encryption Standard. For this example, let's define a method to encrypt our image data. In the Image Encryptor class, we generate a secret key using AES. The encrypt image method takes the image as a buffered image, converts it to a byte array, and then encrypts it, returning a base 64 encoded string of the encrypted data. We need to ensure that the key is stored securely. In production, do not hardcode the secret key in your code. Use environment variables or secure vaults for that. Let's implement the decryption process now. It will be quite similar to encryption, but we will use cipher.decrypt. In the decrypt image method, we first decode the base 64 encoded string back into a byte array and then decrypt it using the AES cipher. Finally, we convert the byte array back to a buffered image. Now, let's put everything together into the main method. We will load an image, encrypt it, then decrypt it, and show the result. In the main method, we first load the image, then we encrypt and decrypt it. Make sure you update the paths accordingly to your machine. As a conclusion, remember that while this tutorial covers basic encryption, it's crucial to understand the security implications and to strengthen your implementation for production use. AES encryption is quite secure, but always examine for vulnerabilities based on your specific use case. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on encrypting images in Java. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials.